Hi, I'm Liv, and this is a Thrifty Notion where we sell secondhand, sustainable, dead stock, vintage sewing supplies and fabrics so that you can sew more sustainably. On Thursdays, we give you a preview of our Friday collection, which goes live at 10 a.m. Central Time on our website at thriftynotion.com. This preview is intended to give you ideas for what you might want to make out of the fabrics. I also tell you fiber content and kind of show you the drapes so you have a better idea of what you're buying, because every little bit of information helps on that, especially when you can't come in and touch the fabric yourself. Here we go. First up is a mini whale corduroy. The whales are just the little ridges in the corduroy. She comes with free lint because that's how we roll around here. There's so much thread and lint going on around here. It's a bit ridiculous. Part of the job. Next, I'm gonna get just straight to it. We have bridal satin, and this is silk. We have silk, bridal satin. So we're calling this Pearl Duchess satin. It is quite crisp. It has full body to it, so you need to keep that in mind. This is something that will hold its shape and kind of stand out from the body, but it is 100% silk and just very, very beautiful, lovely, fine fabric here. We're a little late for the June weddings, but people get married in other months. Okay, we have a rather large piece of pre-washed cotton woven. This is reversible. Let me see if I can show you the other side. Okay, maybe not. No, you don't want to use this on just the loops of the fabric are right there. It's going to be very snaggy. So don't do that unless it's, you know, decorative and not something that's going to get a lot of wear. But this is actually from the Warp and Weft collection by Ruby Star Society. So it's a new fabric. This came out within the past year or so. It's just a de-stash. Someone decided they weren't going to use it. So it's been pre-washed. It smells really nice. It's already shrunken for you. Ready to go. All right, now we have oh my gosh, you can be Smee. Are you trying to be Smee? I love Smee. Anyway, Mariner Stripe. We should have just called it Smee. But I mean, you're not necessarily gonna look like Smee. What's up, Erica? I see you. Polycotton jersey. I saw that post. Very, very stretchy. A little bit stretchy up and down too. This is a nice, pretty sheer t-shirt type material. All right, this is a coppery piece of knit, but it's just got a little bit of metallic in it. It's pretty thin and pretty sheer. Great for t-shirts. Just has a little bit of glitz and glimmer to it. It's a poly cotton, and it looks like a pretty small piece, but actually, let me just look. Let me tell you, what is the size? It's a 1 yard by 1 yard piece. So you can get a tank top out of that. It's cute. All right, this is a fancy. This is a fancy fabric. This is a tencel, embroidered tencel fabric. It's quite heavy. It is, the embroidery adds a lot of weight to this. Quite chunky. And if you follow Anna Mariah on Instagram, she made a really pretty dress out of this. So you can see it in action on her feed. But really special piece of fabric here, with this lovely geometric embroidered pattern. Nice big piece of it. We have curtains. Usually with curtains, we just like let them be curtains and send them on their way to other thrift stores, but this fabric is so freaking good. Summer Poppies, it's all buttoned up, like cute buttons. So you get two buttons, well, you have to buy them separately, but you get that button, plus there's this little strap that holds it together. I don't want to take it apart because folding it into this shape was an effort in patience, but this is lovely cotton curtain panels, and they are 70 by 52, and they're this wonderful poppy print, kind of a crisper, medium weight cotton. This will soften up. It almost feels like a bark cloth. It will soften up once you wash it, but really cute. Great for shorts. You could do a skirt. You could do a dress. Really fun. All right, we're calling this one Versailles Jacquard. It's a very silky, flowy polyester and has a woven floral pattern in the fabric. It's kind of a smaller scale floral. These are great for kind of silky, satiny, drapey blouses and dresses, undergarments, linings. This is really nice for a special lining if you want a coat that has something interesting on the inside, or a vest, anything that needs a lining. If you want it to kind of peek out and be a surprise and a nice little detail, this is great for that. All right, calling this one South of France cotton voile. It is a very lightweight cotton, very gauzy and sheer. Slightly stiff drape just because, I mean, for how thin it is, it's a little bit stiff, but really pretty floaty. Beach cover-up, blouse, sundress, really nice, lightweight. You can also make a blouse. Did I say blouse? I don't know, I can't remember. I've been doing videos about fabric for like 2 hours now. My brain is a little cooked. Anyway, really pretty. I'm getting a vintage vibe off of this. I'm not positive that it's vintage, but it's cute. Bermuda Triangle. It's a polyester bottom weight fabric. You could do slacks, shorts, skirts. I'd do shorts though. In this really bright blue, that would just be a really great pair of shorts. Kind of a statement piece to go with just a crisp white t-shirt would be really cute, and a nice little chunky necklace, or if you're not of an age, then not a chunky necklace, just, you know, something else. I know, the statement necklace, I know. It's for people my age and older, I get it. It's for whoever wants to wear it, thank you very much. Anyway, shorts is my recommendation. This is really good, cute, sturdy fabric. I'm just loving the cobalt thing that's happening right now, and this fits right in. Calling this one French Marigolds because, I don't know, it makes it sound fancier. I don't know why. It's called Supplex. That's the name of the fabric. I'm not sure why. This is a very 90s situation we have going on here. This is nylon, but it feels like cotton. It's a very tricky fabric. It's not like a tracksuit. It's nice. It's almost like silk. So it doesn't stretch. It's just a woven fabric in this nice, lightweight, bright yellow. Would really pop next to, hold on. Really pops next to this blue if you want to just be color blocked and completely unforgettable. There you go. That is the last fabric of this week. So happy sewing.